Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B. Thailand. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C. Mohsin Naqvi. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A. Nidhi Tiwari. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C. Bangladesh. S. Ramakrishnan Thermal Research Center was recently inaugurated at? Correct answer is option C. IIT Madras. Which team did India defeat in both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 finals? Correct answer is option D. England. Who has been awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Ram Sutar, a renowned sculptor. Saudagari block print of which state has recently received the GI tag? Correct answer is option C. Gujarat. Who is the author of the book, The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Correct answer is option B. Arun Shourie. Which mission brought NASA scientists Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore back to Earth from the International Space Station, ISS? Correct answer is option A. Crew 10 mission. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Intel in March 2025? Correct answer is option B. Lip Bhutan. Who has become the first woman president of International Olympic Committee, IOC? Correct answer is option A. Kirsty Coventry. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the National Intelligence Director of which country? Correct answer is option A. United States. Who won the Tata Steel Masters title 2025 at Netherlands? Correct answer is option B. R. Praganananda. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C. Ajay Seth. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB, in 2024? Correct answer is option A. Masato Kanda. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C. Christian Stocker. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year? Right answer is option B. Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Which country ranks first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D. Burkina Faso. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C. Madison Keys. Which Indian city is the host of BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Staff Selection Commission, SSC, in November 2024? Correct answer option B. S. Gopalakrishnan. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C. Liu Jiakun. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer is option A. PM Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation? Correct answer is option A. Manoj Kumar Dubey. The Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B. Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C. Shivasubramanian Raman. The Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics, Gaia, was launched by which space organization? Correct answer is option D. ESA, European Space Agency. In which city Mahakumbh has been organized recently? Correct answer is option A, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. India is set to launch world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer is option B, Jind to Sonipat. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Right answer is option A, Tokyo, Japan. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 96th rank. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Who has been appointed as a member of the Advisory Council of the Managing Director of IMF? Correct answer is option C, N. Chandrasekaran. Jajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary will be developed as a leopard safari in which state? Right answer is option B, Punjab. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 organized? Right answer, option B, New Delhi. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Right answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Which operation has India launched to help earthquake-hit Myanmar? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. Who became first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland-wise use? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which country has become the second largest exporter of tea in 2024? Correct answer is option B, India. Largest exporter is Kenya. Who has been recently appointed as the new Deputy Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option A, Poonam Gupta. Who has introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Rijiju. In which year was the original Waqf Act, later amended by Waqf Amendment Bill 2025, enacted? Correct answer is option B, 1995. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Kolkata's Fort William has been renamed as? Correct answer is option C, Vijay Durg. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer, option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. According to the Hurun Global Rich List 2025, who has become the first Indian woman to be included in the list of top 10 richest women in the world? Correct answer is option C, Roshni Nadar. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer, option B, Meghalaya. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer, option C, Ganesh Kumar. Who won the Best Picture Award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Right answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Odisha Warriors. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has released the report, Education and Nutrition, Learn to Eat Well? Correct answer is option C, UNESCO. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Government A Marketplace, GeM, by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. PM Modi has gifted a specially made dhokra artwork to French President Emmanuel Macron. It belongs to which state? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Recently, RBI has cut the repo rate by how much? Correct answer is option B, by 25 basis points, bringing it down from 6.25% to 6%. Which state is the host of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option B, Glasgow, Scotland. Jacob Mensik has won the men's single title at the Miami Open 2025. He belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D, Czechia. Who will be the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option B, B.R. Gavai. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago? Correct answer option B, Stuart Young. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Which state, UT's virgin coconut oil has been granted GI tag recently? Correct answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which country will host the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027? Correct answer is option B, V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Which country is the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in the Dogri language category? Correct answer is option A, Chaman Arora. Which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2031? Correct answer is option A, the United States. Where has India's first Himalayan Climate Research Center been established? Correct answer is option B, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Which team won the title of Durand Cup 2024? Correct answer is option A, Northeast United. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, Malaysia. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, in February 2025? Correct answer option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. What percentage of tariff has US imposed on the Indian goods? Correct answer is option D, 26%. Who is the author of the book, Bring It On, The Incredible Story of My Life? Correct answer is option C, Deepa Malik. India's first international multimodal logistics park is being constructed in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. What will be the fiscal deficit for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 4.4% of GDP. Who has recently become the chairman of the Bar Council of India? Correct answer is option B, Manan Kumar Mishra. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Croatia. The Indian Astronomical Union has officially recognized how many new satellites of Saturn? Correct answer is option B, 128. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Right answer is option B, Ravi Agrawal. In which multi-nation air exercise did Indian Air Force participated, held in Greece? Correct answer is option C, Ineochos 25. In which state, UT, Herat Mahotsav 2025 was celebrated recently? Correct answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. How many medals India won in the World Boxing Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6 medals. Which country hosted the Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, England. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Correct answer is option A, RBI. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Correct answer option C, Conclave. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Blosch. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Rahul Bhave. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations in railway stations as of February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. The Indian Olympic Committee has included which sport in the 2028 Olympic Games? Correct answer is option C, cricket. Where has the third edition of the joint military exercise between India and Egypt, Cyclone 2025, held recently? If you know the right answer, do share in the comment section below.